sleep last night. The time now is 7 o'clock. Let's double check. It's 7:12 already. I just made a coffee. Now I'm going to cook rice. I don't want to run it to the running water because I'm running out of water. This is going to be my dinner, and I'm going to put some soy sauce just to have a taste. We are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square, and I have this one can and one bottle, and I'm going to give it to the guy over there in the return and earn. Another thing is I have something to pick up in the post office, but we are here first at the grocery. I'm going to buy carrots. Yeah, I finished the carrots that I have. This is just $1.50. Another thing that I'm getting is this hummus. Yeah, this is just $2.40. Also getting one of these paper towel, just $1.90. I'm getting 2 of these. Yeah, for toothbrush. Oh, there is actually also a bath soap container. I'm also getting one. I'm also getting one of this plain bagel for $4.50. Oh, when I was about to pay, I realized that I don't have my phone. Yeah, good thing I have my wallet with me, so I use my card. The phone and the card, they works the same. And because I don't have my phone, I won't be able to get my package here in post office. I need to go first to the car. I'm sure I forgot my phone here. Yes, I forgot. So as most of you know, I don't have my address is in Newcastle. But yeah, in most of the establishment, I mean in most company, my address is still the same, like in Amazon and eBay. Not updated yet. But actually the post office, aside from the PO box, you can also pick up the things that you ordered online and pick it up from the post office. You just need to register. And it's not just a letter, even a package like this you can also pick up. Very nice service. And so if you're not confident of sending parcel to your apartment, because a lot of people live there, so better to pick it up in post office. I am going to wash these carrots so that it's ready to eat. This carrots is really good that it's crispy, I mean crunchy. I am running out of water. Yo, good morning guys. This is where I slept last night, and I'm still here. I wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, and the time now is 10:20. I am editing a video, but yeah, I need to stop it because I am going to an appointment. I have an appointment in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. They are going to put a tent in the glass. But if you remember, I am actually the one who put the tent here. Yeah, I was the one who put tint here. I was able to do that because this glass is flat, but this one is there are some curves, so it's difficult. I tried several times, but yeah, not good. Maybe you don't see it, but there's actually tiny sand and lit some hair. This area of Salamander Bay is like the industrial area. There are lots of car works, repair here in this area. Also, yeah, different things, mechanical.
Entering time-lapse mode.
No Bose glass. They are the same company who did my to install this glass, this window, and this window. $750. I'll be coming back at 1:45. I have work at 2 o'clock. There's a coffee shop here. The coffee shop is fully occupied. There's another cafe over there. I am not sure if one of my previous colleagues works in that cafe. We'll see. I hope he's not going to give me free coffee or free anything. I hope not. Soldier Point's Salamander Bay area. Australia's tidiest town, 2002. 2002, long time ago, and never become the tidiest, cleanest town again. Probably because it becomes populous. I mean, there are more people here now. In 2002, it's easier to control the cleanliness. Yeah, this is good. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, I had the delicious bacon and egg roll, and you know, the time is already 11:54, and I received already the message from the from Novo Blast. They said that it's ready to pick up. Less than 1 hour of tinting. Very easy. They are professional. That's why it's very fast. And I'm still spending a lot of money. Oh, this is how it is now. Amazing. Amazing how they made it very fast. And we are here in Bob Cairns Reserve. I failed again. I thought this week I'm not going to eat in the restaurant, but you know, circumstances happens. Yeah, I thought I am going to be waiting for long hours, for 2 or 3 hours. That's why I eat in that restaurant. Yeah, but it's okay. It's just $11. This is on the other end of the bay of the Port Stephens. Yeah, if you can see that area, that is the Roywood Reserve. And if you see that tower, that is where I was living before. I actually have leftover rice yesterday, the one that I cooked yesterday. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's still good, because you know, the temperature yesterday inside the bun is not good. Can't figure out. Very soon, but yeah, still good actually. I'm going to make a fried rice with this. Yeah, we'll be cooking here. I'm not very hungry, but I don't want the rice to be wasted. So it is the lowest heat, and the maximum heat will be 2000. But yeah, I don't want to consume too much energy. I don't want to run out of battery. That's enough. Let's see. Just fried rice with nothing, just rice and egg and soy sauce. I was actually very hesitant to buy this because I thought it is going to consume a lot of energy, but yeah, it is working very well. It doesn't consume much energy. Good morning, guys. Yeah, this is where I slept last night, in my apartment, but we are going out now. Laundry shop. Yeah, this is my white uniform, so I paid $5 for this for 30 minutes, and then I have my colored and black in here, another $5, and then later on another $5 for 30 minutes again together, both the white and color. and I'm actually having a coffee here. And I'm actually uploading a video today. I have been here for 2 hours. So basically washing, drying, and then folding. Now I'm very hungry. And I'm going to KFC. Oh, I actually end up not in KFC, but instead here in Hunter Street here in Newcastle. And there's actually a Filipino restaurant here. The name is The Palace. It's their dining table. Yeah, there is one room for dining. There's another section here at the front. This is the pork adobo. Looks delicious, it smells delicious too. Of course with rice. Sorry, can I have one more rice? Yeah, very tender, very soft meat with very soft pot. This is my favorite. Very nice. I am happy with that meal. It's delicious. Yeah, I'm still going to eat there next time. And the price is the price is just usual, the same like the other restaurant, ranging to, actually that's just $14 for that meal with rice already. Plus soft drinks or juice, it will cost a little bit more. I actually park here. Yeah, this is a paid parking, but there is a Anytime Fitness here, so I think there is a discount. You can see it's written there, Anytime Fitness only 90 minutes free.